Watch me get 30 servings out of this 2-tier cake that normally only feeds 20 people. Now to start off, you are going to just remove all of your non-edible cake decor and place that to the side. Okay, any type of non-edible ribbon, you're going to do that as well. Next, you're going to either use a large knife or a spatula, wedge it in between the two cakes to remove the top tier. That top tier will have a cake board on the bottom supporting it. And place that top tier on a side, on a plate, or either a baking sheet. Okay, and next, to remove that center dowel, you're just going to twist it to release it and pull it in an upward motion. Now, if you want to remove your fondant from your cake, just get a knife and score a line anywhere on that fondant and just cut it from an upward to downward motion. Okay, and then go ahead and just start peeling that fondant off. If you or your guests are not huge fans of fondant, it can easily be peeled off, just like so. Okay, and then once you're done with that, just put it to the side and then do the same thing for the top part. Just peel it away and then you have yummy buttercream underneath. Now it's time to cut your cake. So this is a 4-inch cake, so I'm just cutting about 4 sections and placing that to the side because we are going to cut those down and slice those up into our cake slices. Okay, so when you get to this step, you might want to hold those 2 pieces together because one of them will fall, as you can see. So yeah, make sure you have plenty of parchment paper and paper towels. Now we are going to slice our cake just like this. This is how you are going to get the maximum number of servings for your cake. So as you can see, I got about 11 slices. Now, if you wanted to cut those down even further, especially if you were giving these cake slices to small children, you can make about 22 slices. Okay, so this is the best way to get the maximum number of servings with your custom cakes. So originally this cake was supposed to feed 8. However, I was able to get 11 regular size slices and then 22 small slices. Now we are ready to cut our 6-inch cake the same way. Okay, so I did not remove the fondant on this cake, so you all can see how I cut fondant cakes. All right, and I'm gonna cut about 6 different sections for this cake. Again, this is a 6-inch cake that normally feeds 12, but we are gonna get about 20 regular size slices, and then we're definitely gonna have those. So again, you just want to cut those sections and then place them to the side on a piece of parchment paper, baking sheet, or even some foil. Okay, and then again, I'm just cutting my sections out. Now, once we start cutting our slices, you'll see the supportive dowels or straws that we have in our cakes, and you just want to make sure you are not cutting into that. Okay, so here are our 6 sections that we are going to slice down into our cake slices. So there you'll see that supportive dowel or straw that I use in my cakes. And these will particularly be on the bottom tiers because it's to support the top tier. All right, so I'm just making my cake slices and making sure I am taking all of those supportive straws and dowels that I placed in there. And there is one more, just gonna get that out. All right, so we have our cake slices, again, 21 regular size slices. And if you want to even have those, you can do that just like we did the 4-inch cake, and you will have approximately 42 cake slices. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.